Hello, everyone. My name is Drew Lanier, and I'm one of the Student Success Advisors here at Thomas University. I'm here to give you a little tutorial on how to self-register for your classes. So, first and foremost, make sure that you're checking over your progression guide given to you by your advisor in order to help you in navigating what classes you'll need to take that semester. Once you've looked over your advising guide, log into your Hawk link. Then you're going to click on the Students tab. From here, under the Helpful Links section, you're going to click on Register for Classes. Now you're going to see the Course Search section. From here, make sure that you're on the right semester that you want to do courses for, and I am, so then we click on the Register button. Now from here, you're going to go to the Course Search option to search whatever course it is that you want to enroll in. So for example, let's say that I want to register for English 102. So we're going to type in the beginning part of the course code, and we're going to click Search Courses. Now it's going to give me my options that I can enroll in the spring semester. So once you figure out which one you want to enroll in, you're going to click the plus sign. It's going to add that option over here onto your Make schedule, so you can see how your classes are going to be laid out during the week. From here, once you've registered for all of your classes, because you can do this multiple times to search for your different classes that you need, you're going to click over here to Registration Checkout. So once you click that, that's when you go and you submit your changes. And from there, you can click on My Schedule to view your schedule once everything has been completed. This is just a quick tutorial on how to teach you how to self-register for classes. If you have any questions or concerns, always make sure that you're reaching out to your advisor.